Hi everyone, here we've got GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage Google account. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts section. Let's tap on it. Right now we have to add account because we do not have any previously added, so just tap on add account option, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it and you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, let's wait a second. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. Okay, let's try to get back. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to, just by tapping on accounts again. Tapping on the account you want to remove and remove account. Tap on remove account, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything attached to this Google account. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.